Okay, guys, welcome, and we have a really good evening. Let's do this very quick. We are going to implement what we're talking about in the past streaming, and this time we will do it in Spanish. Okay. If someone want to chat in English the next time, you can, you know, come in the chat and we can just chat in English as well. But this time we are going to do it in Spanish, because the last video was in English, and yeah, just to have some variation in the videos. Let's do it in Spanish right now. Um, of course, I'm gonna change in English if I want. So this is the English and Spanish streaming. So yeah, we can switch anytime. Okay, ayer, estuvimos hablando de cómo implementar nuestro máquina de estados y cómo hacer para poder transicionar. Estábamos en, estábamos en esta parte del estado, ¿no? Estábamos pensando en cómo hacer para poder transicionar de un estado a otro y habíamos dejado esta guarda aquí, esta evaluación de transición para poder pasar de un estado a otro. Y habíamos dicho de que si cambiábamos el anim value aquí, podíamos eh, podíamos movernos de una animación a otra. Claro, esto no nos iba a funcionar a menos que lo completáramos con los namespace correspondientes. Teníamos a name system, esto si no me equivoco era kinematic anim value y aquí teníamos idle. Ok, ahora queríamos hacer esto, ¿no? Queríamos hacer esto, implementar esto para ver si funcionaba nuestra transición. Y bueno, realmente esto no es tan complicado, ¿no? Esta variable la actualizamos en otro sitio, eh, en otra parte, en otro sistema, que es el Player Component, Player Control System. Aquí este sistema en Movement Systems. Déjenme pensar, creo que no es aquí, chicos. Vamos a ver, creo que es fácil encontrarlo si nos vamos al estado del gameplay, ¿no? Si alguien no entiende estos estados, puede preguntarme qué son estos estados del gameplay state. Aquí, justo aquí, Play and Control System. Aquí lo que tenemos es que cuando el jugador presiona una tecla, cambiamos la velocidad de nuestra entidad y esa velocidad nos sirve para discernir el movimiento, ¿no? Es decir, si la velocidad es cero, no se está moviendo la entidad y en este caso, pues, eh, cambiamos el valor de isMoving a falso. Claro, este isMoving es del Movement Component que también evaluamos en idle state, en el idle state de la entidad, justo aquí. Bueno, en este caso lo hemos llamado Move Component y aquí le llamamos Movement Component. Si quieren, lo mantenemos para mantener la cohesión, vamos a llamarlo similar, ¿de acuerdo? A ver, idle state, justo aquí. Si mantenemos cohesivo el código. Bien, entonces hagamos una prueba. Vamos a agregar un conditional breakpoint tomando justo esto. Y este breakpoint va a hacer el hit cuando este componente, cuando esta variable esté verdadero, ¿no? Esa es la evaluación de la condición. Veamos entonces. Hagamos una. Sorry guys, perdonen. Compilación. Que vamos a tener siempre esto que hay que arreglar eventualmente del ID. Vamos a ver. Ahí está. Muy bien. Bueno, parece que lo tenemos listo. Entonces, al ejecutar en esta ocasión, vamos a ver que nuestro juego se ejecuta, ¿no? Corre. Y ahora, vamos a ver, démosle un momento. En esto lo vamos a quitar, no lo necesitamos aquí. Esto también lo vamos a quitar. Y estamos, ¿no? Ahora, por aquí está nuestro juego. De momento está ejecutándose, ¿no? Tranquilamente. Luego, si muevo, si presiono para las teclas, en este caso AWSD, ajá, tenemos un hit, se ha detenido. Y si vemos el código, déjenme ver si puedo. Ah, no puedo mostrárselos, chicos, porque cuando la ventana se bloquea, también se bloquean los servicios de Windows para poder mover la ventana, ¿no? Esto lo resolveríamos si tuviésemos Window Mode, pero no lo tenemos. Vamos a ver. Entonces vamos a hacer la prueba de esta forma. Vamos a dejar ejecutar en la otra pantalla nuestro juego y aquí vamos a ver el hit una vez que presionemos cualquier tecla de movimiento. Bueno, de hecho se ha movido el breakpoint porque aquí hay un proceso de optimización. Como este if está vacío, entonces el código, el compilador se da cuenta y simplemente lo ignora. Eh, Cuestiones de optimización, ¿de acuerdo? Bien, entonces mi juego está ejecutándose en la otra pantalla. Ahora quiero, quiero mover, voy a mover y hay un hit aquí, ¿no? Hemos cumplido la condición de que el movimiento es verdadero y por eso es que lo cambiamos. Entonces, perfecto, funciona, ¿no? Quiere decir que podemos poner aquí cualquier transición y vamos a tener una transición al siguiente estado. Para eso vamos a crearnos una función en Kinematic State Machine, una función que nos permita, de hecho aquí estaba la intención, que nos permita transicionar. Hmm, Vamos a ver, ¿qué vamos a hacer aquí? De hecho creo que ya tenemos una similar en Gameplay State Machine. Sí, setNet, Next State, que recibe el siguiente estado en el que va a transicionar la máquina. Sí, creo que podemos tomar parte del código que tenemos aquí y movernos para Kinematic State Machine y reemplazar. No, no vamos a reemplazar esta función, vamos a dejar las dos de momento para evitar romper alguna otra cosa en otro sitio, luego la podemos cambiar, quitar. Bien, entonces quitamos este operador de acceso al miembro y ahora deberíamos reemplazar esto por por el estado, por los estados realmente. A ver, aquí tenemos algo importante. Primero vamos a colocar esto en su sitio, ¿no? Mover, vamos a hacer la definición, la declaración correspondiente aquí. Esto tiene que cambiar, sin duda. El gameplay state no es parte de kinematic state. Esto debería ser el del tipo state behavior. Esto de aquí. De este tipo debería ser, porque estos son los estados de las entidades, ¿no? Entonces, lo que vamos a hacer es esto. Vamos a reemplazar aquí. Vamos a colocar kinematic state para mantenerlo consistente, ¿no? Y ahora vamos a llevarnos esto para nuestra implementación y vamos a reemplazar la función para que, oh, punto y coma, para que haga bien su trabajo, ¿no? Muy bien. Ahora, según tiene la implementación del gameplay state, decimos que si el estado nuevo es igual al actual, no hacemos nada. Esto también puede pasar. Esto es una especie de protección para evitar de que entremos al mismo estado en el que estamos y si ejecutemos otra vez la función enter. No, eso no sería lógico. Eh, claro, aquí necesitamos saber en qué estado actual está esta máquina. Si no me equivoco, mm, no, creo que no tenemos ninguna función interna. Pero aquí, no, chicos, esto no funciona así. Si dejáramos una función interna de current state aquí, como sería como una especie de función estática para todas las entidades, no funcionaría. No, this is not going to work. No. Vamos a necesitar, vamos a necesitar, ah, vamos a necesitar hacer uso del StateMachine, del StateMachine component. Hmm, de cada entidad, porque es donde se encuentra el current state. Ah, interesante, interesante, interesante. Mm, hmm. Vamos a ver, el State Machine Component, ¿cómo lo obtenemos? Deberíamos poder leerlo desde aquí, con la entidad actual, es decir, idle, idle, o sea, es decir, imaginémonos lo siguiente, olvidé nuestras notas, chicos. Uy, deben, un- voy a intentar explicarlo sin las notas, nuestras notas. Veamos, la cuestión es que cuando estamos en el estado idle, imaginémonos que es por entidad. Y ahora mismo toda esta lógica es estática, ¿no? Está escrita prácticamente para todas las entidades. Entonces tenemos que empezar a hacer distinciones. De hecho, lo hicimos cuando enviamos aquí la entidad, eh, que, que ya vi cuál puede ser la posible solución. Cuando enviamos aquí la entidad, nos damos cuenta que que aquí hacemos distinción por cada entidad. ¿De acuerdo? De hecho, aquí también deberíamos hacer un, recibir la entidad, porque tenemos que hacer una forma de distinguir entre todas las entidades, distinguir estas funciones entre todas las entidades, ¿no? Y esta es una forma en la que lo discernimos, porque imagínense que hay 4 NPCs en el pueblo. Cada uno de esos NPCs va a pasar por esta función, pero va a ser este tipo de distinción, va a ser nuestro registry el que va a hacer la actualización de cada una de los componentes por entidad. Ya. Sí. Entonces aquí vamos a hacer lectura también. Creo que esta implementación podría validarse rápidamente. Veamos. Sería state FSM, ¿no? De Finite State Machine. La recibimos aquí con ¿cuál era el namespace del State Machine? El State Machine Component. Oh, no lo recuerdo, ¿eh? Creo que era. Buscamos en el Factory. Create Player. Control System. Claro, Control System. Oops. Control System, guys. Right here. Right here, Control System. I don't know if we have the right .h here. Probably yes. We can see it in the documentation. If we are adding um, in, adding in not in cascade, adding directly to just to clean. But right now is enough to have it in that in this way, right? Yeah, we have it. Excellent. So now we have the state machine, and we are going to send that state machine to the let's say to the system that is read the state. Yeah. Sure. That sounds good. Let's do it like this. Um, we are going to call the set next state, the set next state, and here we are going to send which state we would like to transit, and how we do that. Hmm. We can do it several ways. We can have all the state in an enumeration, and then using this kinematic state machine, use this array just to assign the next state in each entity. You know, I mean, instead of send the the reference of the state, because I think that is not good. We are going to send just an enumeration, and using this this array, we are going to read that we are going to use that enumeration to obtain the next state. Yeah, that sounds feasible. First, let's change this. This is not our state, right? This is another state that I think is going to be erased in the future. But right now we have this control system state. Of course, this is a different template. This is a different template. Huh. This state has this duration. I remember we already have a map. Do you remember that, guys? We already have a map, uh, ordered map to handle the states. Where was that? Where was where was where was that unordered map? Oh, I don't remember now. State. I think the name was state map. There we have it. Factories. Hmm. Yeah, guys, we have this thing here. But is this going to be also static, right? We don't have any. I mean, if that state is going to change for all, probably keeping these functions in the state, keeping this function and state behavior for all the entities. Maybe it's not a good idea. Maybe we can have another component where exists like a feature for each state to have individual behaviors for any state and any entity. I mean, it doesn't matter if any entity use all the entities use this same template with same code because that's correct, right? I mean, it's the way the thing are code, but to add dynamic things, maybe we can have another state where we implement this type of settings, tweaks, things to tweak uh, to make the entity behave differently for other entity, although they are in the same state, right? That sounds good actually. Yeah, let's put let's put um, put that in here just to remember. Let's say uh, maybe create create and struct that uh, have the variables to to make states make states different, make dynamic state. Yeah, to make to add to the state. Okay, ag another unstruct that have. We also we are going to have also this video, right? To remember this thing. But yeah, anyway, understood that have a duration as a variable for the um, for the state. Yeah, because also this the duration means that any state is going to have this duration. Oh no, because this change for states. Yeah. No. No. Don't pay me. Don't pay me no mind. No. I was thinking too much ahead. Sorry, guys. I was thinking maybe if we have this one, that means for any instance of this stroke, we will have the same duration, but that is not true. No. This is still apply. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Good. Sounds good. Hmm. Let's put an example of a stroke and say it bars. Yeah, we will change that name in the future and put in this here. The bars struct is part of the components. Part of the component is part of the component of the entity. Yeah, I think that could work. Hmm. But hmm. Guys, no, I think it's already addressed it. Yes, because this state machine component, this state machine component has an instance of this state behavior, and this we have all the instances, all the entities has an instance of this different instance. Yeah. So that means this is a different instance. That means I can change this variable. Yeah, it does already apply. Forget it. This it already uh it is already applied. Applied with the current code, current implementation. Yeah. Pay me no mind, guys. I think it too much ahead probably. Yeah. But was this was also a good idea. Yeah. Let's keep this coming here and then move to what we were doing here. Yeah. Now we have two things. We have, of course, this to change the behavior. Yeah. mm, States factory. States factory. It all. Yeah, we will need this for sure. and let this put it in here. Yep, this is going to this is going to be uh, or or variable to change. Then we are going to need state machine component, which is in control system state machine component, also a constant of FSM state. No, sorry, FSM find the state machine comp. Yeah, put it in the next line. Yeah, guys. Yep, yep. I get it. I like it. I like it. Let's compare this now. Is the next state equal to current state, right? So how is this? Oh, yeah, sure. Perfect. Yeah, we just have an enumeration. Fine. Totally fine. Excellent. We are almost there, guys. We're almost done as well. As I say, this will be a short streaming. I wanted to share you uh, what was in my mind in the moment I think this. Say I will share with the guys because I think it's kind of it's sounding definitely. Yeah, I see it, guys. I see it. Okay. Um, let's continue. Let's continue figuring out how to obtain. I will use this thing by now. I need to think more about this, but right now we are going to use it. You know, we are going to change this to walk, and of course we have to make our version of a kinematic walk state. I don't know if I already have it. I have walking left. No, this is nah. This is not what I want. Actually, the name is not correct. Uh, at least in my opinion. Walking left. Walking left. No, we don't want that segregation of states. This has to be just walking. The direction is going to be controlled inside walking state. We don't need all that state. It's not. Yeah, it doesn't good. Doesn't sound good. Doesn't sound good. Okay. Now let's change this right here. Where is it? W and what is the other? And V. W and V. Tup, tup, tup. And this is just walking state. Walking state. As I say, we probably change these names as well, like NPC walking state enter, something like that, to make the distinction. Yeah, sounds. Yeah, it's probably had. Anyway, this one can walking. Sorry, guys. State kinematic walking state. Also, this has to be named kinematic state. Change now this to yeah, exactly. Good, sounds good. Uh, now, oh, let's just see something to be sure that we are using the same now because this thing has changed. No, we are fine. We are fine. Good. Of course, this is not kinematic idle state. This is kinematic walking state. Walking state. Yeah, perfect. Also, we need to change. Let's see, we have to change our names. Walking, walking left. It's just walking state. Okay, I think that is enough. And guys, now we this this. We only need the names because we have to add this to here. Actually, this is also another thing we have to change. This was not good. Let's change it that way. That is the correct way to do it. Refactoring. It's here showing the refactoring panel here as well and apply. So now it's changing here as well. And let's put this here. Excellent. Good job. Wait. Oh, here. What's happened? What's happening? Oh, yeah. Need walk in. That is enough. It's enough. Perfect. Thank you. Perfect. Yeah. Now let's use this. This state factory. Oh, wait. No, guys, it's not going to work because this is private. All right. This is inside the implementation, so it's private. Yeah, we have to move this. Uh, or maybe not. If we code function access function to this, I think it's probably is the best way because we in that way we keep private and yeah, yes, I think it's the best way. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it here. State factory. I don't want this. I want the state factory definitions. Oh, state factory .h here. Here. What we can do is create. No, this is actually already a behavior. Forget it. Forget it, guys. Mhm. Yeah, not an instance. Oh, I see. Not an instance. Has to have a copy of the state behavior. Yeah, yeah. Guys, we have here instances of the state behavior. Of course, we have several ways to use it because we can assign to our state component like a reference. So in that way, any entity that modified one of those behavior is going to apply to all the entities. I mean, if you are looking for something like that, is the way to do it. Also, we can define pointers, which pretty similar in this situation as references. But I don't know if we actually want that. Hmm. Do we want that? Hmm. So that means we need a copy. Because if we make a copy, that means any entity will have a copy of that component. Or at least, yeah, for the component. That is I think is the correct way because we want any entity to have a different, not different function, of course. This that will be a constant pointer. Actually, we must define it that way. And we will do it properly later. But the variables, guys, I mean the variables we were talking about uh, previously here. mm, Where was it? Where was it? Oh, I always forget. Where was it? Yeah, I mean the variable, the duration, that variable, it was here. Yeah, here. This variable, if we make a copy for any entity, of course, any entity that change this is going to apply to all the entity that use this state behavior. It will be all the entities. Nah, so we need a copy for this. Oh yeah, pretty much a copy. Yeah, let's do a copy, guys. Right now, I think it's the best way. How much memory is going to cost? I don't know. Uh, Not much, I believe. I mean, just some variables to hold the addresses. Then the amount of. Well, I think it's pretty fine. I mean, yeah, if we don't do it in that way, we will, yeah, we will have a single behavior that is shared across all the entities. Yep, not sure is that is the way to do it. If we want, I mean, if we don't have this, you, you know what? Now I think this is going to have the idea right now, because maybe we can keep this constant for all the entities because they are actually static. They are functions in the code. But this thing maybe has to be dynamic, change, not static. Yeah, now I think that is again probably probably a good idea. Hmm, think twice. Maybe it's the way. Maybe it's the way because any entity, because if not, we had to make a copy of the whole state behavior. Yeah, just copy this state behavior. Yep. Uh, and that means also the pointers, which are static, doesn't have to change at all. Do not have to change at all. Yeah, yeah, guys. Yeah, I think it's since we would like to keep this video, we are going to put it in my channel in YouTube so you can check that, because probably it's going to be erased by Twitch in 40 days. So yeah, I can change. I can move this video today, and we will have also this recording, which is I think is pretty good. Okay, guys, let's use it in right now currently that we have used it in this form, and then we are going to see how this work. how this works in the future. Yeah, very quickly, we are going to make a copy of the state behavior. So I will need, oof, kinematic state machine. Guys, we need, we can do some forward declaration, right? Kinematic state machine, .h. Yeah, let's do some forward declaration. But this, I think this has to change. And then we can use it as it is. Control, oops, control. Am I state behavior get state get state behavior? Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then use it. Sorry, no. This is just going to be the definition because the declaration is going to be in state factory here using the map or map. Of course. Sure. We also need this. Okay. Just this one, actually. Uh, here, an on class. I don't know if it's possible to forward declare an on class. Let's figure it out. Let's figure out. Yeah, hold. We need this. Yeah, I mean just that. In entity state bombing. I think it's working. Let's do it again and just erase this. Now we have state. Of course, we need to make a declaration of or copy and send them back. Oh, of course. But since we are defining this, we can copy just by value or return or pointer. Maybe we have to return a pointer, guys. No. Let's try it here. Copy. Copy. And change state will be. Let's make this bigger. Sorry. Change state. Yep. And then return copy, right? And that is the way to do it. So we had to repeat for any other stuff. Sorry, I don't know how many of them are there. Duration, sorry. Enter. That's it. And run. That's it. So we share the um, pointers, also the variables, and then we return the copy. That's it. I don't know if we have this in the CMake state state factory. Yeah, we have it. Excellent. So why is it red? What's happening? What happened? I don't know. Okay, let's compile to see what we have. Okay, explosions. What is happening? Why? Why I deserve? What I did to deserve this? I sit next state. Ah, of course, yeah. We don't have the declaration at all. Um, okay, okay. Now I am clear. Okay, guys. Let's finish by this moment. I had to go to make a dinner. But yeah, I think we was a really quick progress and nice progress. We are going to code in this idea, this implementation. I think it's just pretty has a pretty good future. We will almost have it. I think it's just a matter of some few lines, and we can test this and make some just silly test. We are going to move the in debugging mode, and we are going to see how this changed the state and so on and so on. Yeah, yeah, I think it has good future. It's sounding. Yeah, 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 definitely. Thank you guys very much for seeing this video and watch this video, sorry. And also thank you guys in the Spanish community as well. Now I can speak en español y decirles que muchas gracias por ver el video. Si tienen alguna pregunta, ya saben, solo pueden echarme un mensaje. Am, pueden también ver el streaming conmigo, estar conmigo en el streaming también y hacerme cualquier otra pregunta. De momento estoy streameando usualmente en la noche. Todavía no tengo muy bien definido pues, si serán las 6 7 y 8, pero va siempre por las 7 y por las 8, chicos. Muchas gracias, la verdad. Esto me ayuda mucho también a pensar un poco más rápido mientras estoy haciendo los videos, así que es bueno para mí. Les agradezco mucho. Y pues chao, bye bye.